The Newshawks published a report that shook the political landscape. They claimed that the Central Intelligence Organization, or CIO, was behind a covert operation to take control of the CCC. Leading this operation was retired Brigadier General Walter Tapfumane, who also headed an organization called Forever Associates Zimbabwe, or FAZ. Now Tapfumane wasn't working alone. He had Sengezo Tshabangu on his side. Tshabangu claimed to be the interim Secretary General of the CEC. According to the report, he got a lot of help from the CIO, think logistical support, financial backing, even luxury stays in Harare. So why all this effort? Well, it's alleged that the goal was to disrupt the CCC and its leader, Nelson Chamisa. By creating internal chaos, they aimed to destabilize the party and force by-elections. This would give ZANU-PF, the ruling party, a chance to secure a two-thirds majority in parliament. Pretty intense, right? Tshabangu reportedly executed this plan with precision. He managed to recall more than 24 CCC lawmakers and over 60 councillors. This move caught the senior leadership of the CCC completely off guard. The interim leader, Prof. Welshman and Cube, even admitted that the recalls happened without their knowledge. CHAMISA, the face of the CCC, was effectively sidelined. And guess what? Tshabangu didn't just disrupt the party, he also reportedly got quite a few perks out of this: money, a car, and even a position in the Senate. The aftermath of all this was chaotic. The CCC had to revert to its 2019 structures when it was still known as the MDC Alliance. N-Cube took on a rotating presidency, sharing leadership duties with Tendai Biti and Kareni Kaur. N-Cube openly admitted that the new leadership didn't have full control of the party. They faced significant opposition from CHAMISA loyalists. But despite this internal struggle, the Standing Committee of the CCC gave the leaders a mandate to engage with the state and Tshabangu to try and regain control of their party. So, what does this all mean for the future of Zimbabwean politics? It's a tough call. Allegations like these highlight the lengths to which political actors might go to secure power. It also raises questions about the integrity of democratic processes. Well, all right, folks, that's the scoop on how the state allegedly captured the CCC. It's a developing story, so stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into stories that matter. Catch you next time.